Hello, this is my War Doc tutorial to show you how to use this to make it easier for everybody to understand. As you can see, we have different cells. We have a status showing whether it's active or not. We have the player name. We have the alliance that they're in. We have the station type. We have the coordinates. We have what type of resource that it is, class that it is, the direction it's moving in, timestamp showing when it was recorded. We have the date and its priority. Now, let's go over here to this guy, John Lucernoni, a resource station, coordinates 1957-773, direction moving south, and the time was 9:06 a.m., 6/14/2012. So we're going to go over here, we're going to jump 1957-773, we're going to hit jump, and we don't see anything. So we're going to hit scan to see if we can find it. And we don't. We don't see a resource station. But we know that it's moving south. So you just click and hold the mouse, look down, and sure enough, we found John Lucernoni. We found his resource station, plus we found two more. And we also found a research station. Now the beauty of the program is, say we want to go right here. Once you find something, you highlight it, left click and highlight, then hit Control C to cut it. You come into the dock, scroll down, look for the player, make sure click the cell, hit Control V to paste. It puts the name, the alliance, station type, and the coordinates into its proper cells. And then you can add all the other information later. Now we go back here. Notice how we found three resource stations, plus we found a research station. So we'll click over here. We'll see that it's moving. Click scan again, just in case. And that's the only thing in this section. Now, to edit the information, come over here. We'll say that it's active. But if we want to show that it's active, I'm going to come up here, click any active cell, doesn't matter. Hit Control C to cut. Come back down to the information that you just put in. Hit Control V to paste. And it automatically puts the color for this background of the cell plus the text color for the cell. Now, there's no resource since it's not sitting on a star or a planet. So what we want to do is left click your mouse, come over till both cells are highlighted, hit Control C, come down to the next cell, hit Control V, and it automatically fills it in. Instead of having to do like this, you can just go straight down here. And voila. Then you put the direction that it's moving in, the time that you witnessed it, the date, and I will handle its priority. Now, delete all this. Sometimes it doesn't show up. Now, how do we find targets that we want to find? Well, you can go to the status. It has a little drop-down box. You can sort Z to A, or you can sort A to Z. Now, it doesn't always do this. I'm going to show you. Say if we go over here to, unfortunately, coordinates doesn't work correctly, and timestamp doesn't either. It shows it in different, different things. And notice how it's all different. Notice how this is different over here, but it's showing destroyed in the status. Well, if we go over here, we hit sort A to Z. It shows everything that's active, that's attacked, but it doesn't show its priority. What you want to do is you're going to come over here, click priority first, sort A to Z, and even though it shows destroyed first, come back over here, click sort A to Z. Now everything that has a priority, like high, low, medium, will show up in its proper cells and giving you a proper priority. Say you're looking for a particular player, sort A to Z, but you want to look for a particular station that this player has. Sort A to Z. That shows this player plus all of that. Shows this player and all his fleets. Say you want to find Cal Hammerstein. You want to find all his research stations. Say you want to find Cal Hammerstein and all his shipyards. You just scroll down to where it says shipyard, and it shows all of his shipyards. It shows his name, and it shows all of his shipyards, and you can check its status, whether it's active, attacked, the direction, and most importantly its priority, which is high. And I hope this helps solve some of your questions. Also, there's a nifty little chat feature. If someone else is in the dock with you, you can chat with them and collaborate. Now, let's take, this is just an example. Come down here, paste that in. Now, say if you hit this target, you want to mark it destroyed. Come to any destroyed cell, doesn't matter. Hit Control C to cut. Click the cell. Hit Control V, and presto, it shows everything. It shows a proper cell background color and a proper text color. And that is pretty much it. I hope this answers any questions, and hopes it makes it easier for you to understand.